In any triangle ABC, A equal to 4, B equal to 3, and angle A equals 60 degree, then show that C is root of equation C square minus 3C minus 7 equal to 0. Let's see its solution. So we know from cosine formula, cos A equals B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Here A is 60 degree. So cos 60 degree equals B square means 9 plus C square minus A square means 16 divided by twice of B means 3 into C. Now cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2 equals C square minus 7 divided by 6C. We cross multiply. So from here 2, 3. So 3C equals C square minus 7 or C square minus 3C minus 7 equals 0, which is our required answer. Now let's go to question number 2. Question number 2 says, in a triangle ABC, tan A by 2 equal to 5 by 6, tan C by 2 equal to 2 by 5, then show that ABC are in AP. So let's consider the solution. Tan A by 2 times tan C by 2. We know from formula of tan half angle, it will be S minus B, S minus C divided by S times S minus A. Similarly, for tan C by 2, root of S minus A, S minus B divided by S times S minus C. So from here, S minus C will cancel out, S minus A will also cancel out. So we will be left with tan A by 2 times tan C by 2 equals S minus B divided by S. But tan A by 2 is 5 by 6 into tan C by 2 is 2 by 5, which is equal to S can be written as we know, S is semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C divided by 2. So here we can write it A plus B plus C divided by 2 minus B whole divided by A plus B plus C divided by 2. So, and this will become 5 will cancel out, 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 equals, if we simplify, we get A minus B plus C divided by A plus B plus C. So we cross multiply. So A plus B plus C equal to 3 times A minus B plus C. On simplification, we get 4B equal to 2A plus 2C, or B equal to twice of B equal to A plus C. So this implies that A, B, C are in AP. Next question. Question number 3. If sides of a triangle are sine theta, cos theta, and square root of 1 plus sine theta, cos theta, where 0 is less than or equal to theta is less than pi by 2, then find the greatest angle of triangle. So Let's consider the solution. A equal to sine theta. B equals cos theta. And C equals root of 1 plus cos theta sine theta. Now, we put the value of cos theta sine theta from here. So C equal to root of 1 plus AB. Clearly, C will be greater than A and B. So C will be largest. So since side C is largest, it means angle opposite to side. If this is C, so this will be angle C. If this is A, then opposite side will be small a. If this is angle B, then opposite side will be small b. Since C is the greatest side, hence angle C will be the largest. Now, we can evaluate cos C equals, using cosine formula, a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. So putting the value, a is sine theta, so sine square theta plus b is cos theta, so cos square theta minus c square. C square means this thing 1 plus cos theta sine theta divided by twice of sine theta cos theta. Now cos C equals, this will become 1 and then 1 will cancel out. So we will be left with minus cos theta sine theta divided by twice of sine theta cos theta. That is minus half, which then angle C will be equal to 120 degree because cos 120 degree is minus half. Now, let's consider question number 4. So, question number 4 says, if roots of equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0 be tan 30 degree and tan 15 degree, then what is 3 plus q minus p? So, here x square plus px plus q equal to 0. So, x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. From here we get tan 30 degree plus tan 15 degree must be equal to minus p. And tan 30 degree multiplied by tan 15 degree must be equal to q. So we apply formula tan a plus b. So tan 30 degree plus 15 degree will give tan 30 plus tan 15 divided by 1 minus tan 30 into tan 15. This is tan 45 degree. So tan 45 is 1 equals tan 30 degree plus tan 15 degree is minus p divided by 1 minus tan 30 into tan 15 is q. So 1 minus q equals minus p, which gives 1 equal to q minus p. Now, we have got the value of q minus p, and we have to find out 3 plus q minus p. So since q minus p is 1, so the value of this expression will be equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4, which is our answer. Consider question number 5. ABCD is a trapezium such that AB and CD are parallel and BC is perpendicular to CD. If angle ABD is theta and BC equal to P and CD equal to Q, then what is AB? So this is little tricky question, but you can easily do. AB. This is perpendicular, 90 degree. This is C, and suppose this angle is alpha, then this angle will also be alpha, and this angle is given as theta. So this angle will be pi minus theta plus alpha. And this side BC is given as P and DC is given as Q. Now consider. So let's see the solution. Angle ADB is given as theta and angle ABD is alpha. These two sides AB is parallel to CD, that is why angle BDC is also alpha. And since this angle is 90 degrees, so BD will be equal to root of P square plus Q square from Pythagoras theorem. Now, so angle A will be equal to, by angle sum property, angle A, that is angle DAB, will be pi minus theta plus alpha. Now we are going to use sine rule. So side and sine of angle opposite to it, so will be constant. So AB divided by sine theta equal to BD divided by sine of pi minus theta plus alpha, which gives AB upon sine theta equal to sine 180 minus theta gives sine theta, and BD is given as P square plus Q square whole power half, that is square root, whole divided by sine theta plus alpha. Now it will give AB equals P square plus Q square under root times sine theta whole divided by sine theta plus alpha. We can expand the denominator. So P square plus Q square times sine theta divided by sine theta sine alpha, sine alpha sine theta. It is sine theta cos alpha plus cos theta sine alpha. Sine A plus B equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Now, sine alpha can be found from this triangle CDB, and that will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is P divided by square root of P square plus Q square. And cos alpha will be based upon hypotenuse, that is Q divided by P square plus Q square. So we can put these values here. So what do we get? AB equal to root of P square plus Q square, P square plus Q square sine theta divided by, we are going to put the values of sine alpha and cos alpha. So sine theta times value of cos alpha, that is Q divided by root of P square plus Q square plus cos theta into value P divided by square root of P square plus q square, which will give p square plus q square times sine theta divided by p cos theta plus q sine theta, which is our answer. Now, question number 6. The x coordinate of in center of the triangle that has the coordinates of midpoints of its sides as 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 is. This is question for you. You have to write its answer in comment box. Thank you.